Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and jumping straight into Settings. Open Settings, then Apps, then Manage Apps or App Info. You want to find Google Play Store and Google Play Services. You do this because many ads are served through those services. If you change their permissions or data, they stop showing personalized promotions. Once you have both app pages open, make sure to note storage and permissions so you can clear cache and adjust what follows without guessing. Once done with app pages, force stop the Play Store, then use Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove stored ad identifiers. This resets personalized ads. Next, open permissions and revoke anything unrelated to store functionality, such as contacts or location. Fewer permissions mean less ad targeting. Then return to notifications and turn off promotional or recommendation channels. Make sure to repeat equivalent steps for Google Play services because it handles ad ID and background delivery. Finish by stopping ad personalization at the system level. Go to Settings, then Google, then Ads, and toggle Opt out of ads personalization to limit tracking. If ads persist, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to a cleaner app version. You can update later if needed. Restart your phone to apply changes, open the Play Store, and observe. If ads still appear, troubleshoot by checking for third-party apps with overlay or notification permission. Uninstall any recent installs and repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.